It is indeed my proud privilege to extend warm welcome to all of you to this august occasion of inaugural function of Andhra Bank Staff College building. Today is a memorable day for all of us as the bank took birth on this day in 1923 at Machilipatnam. The bank was founded by Dr. Bhogiraju Pattabi Sitaramaiah, a great freedom fighter, visionary, whose contribution to the bank and nation is immense. The strong foundation laid by founder enabled the bank to have pan-India presence today with 1,677 branches, serving 20 million customers and total business of 1,68,000 crores. Bank has been growing strength to strength over the years, and today it is among the leading public sector banks of the country and playing a pivotal role in the nation building activity. Perhaps Dr. Pattabi was one of the very few individuals with very forward vision and aggressively advocate the need for modern education in early 19th century. He was instrumental in establishment of Andhra University in 1926 and many universities at other places too. In this context, it is worth mentioning the comments made by Dr. Pattabi when someone asked him, what is the difference between an educated and an uneducated man? The reply was the same difference between being alive and dead. This speaks of the importance he attached to education. Probably that was the reason the Andhra Bank had imbibed the culture of nurturing the human resources and perceived the training system to develop competitive workforce to meet the challenges and establish training institute way back in early 60s. Subsequently, bank started a staff college in the year 1973 at Hyderabad, and all these years it was running in these premises. It is not out of place to mention that in commemoration of our founder and to implement his vision, bank introduced Dr. Pattabi Vidya Jyoti scheme, extending education loans to the deserving students to pursue their studies in India and abroad. The contribution of Andhra Bank in this area is quite good. We are one of the 5 topmost banks financing education loans in the country. The post-liberalization era has brought many changes in the banking, which necessitated the bank to focus on customer delight. The dynamic environment is forcing the banks to enhance the skill sets of its staff members on an ongoing basis to remain competitive in the field. Of late, we found space and infrastructure constraints in the leased buildings in view of the growing size of staff and bank and associated training requirements. Bank decided to construct a college building to take care of present and future training needs of the bank staff. We are very thankful to the state government and Andhra Pradesh State Infrastructure Development Corporation for their kind gesture in allotting this 5-acre land in financial districts, Hyderabad, which enabled us to construct staff college building by providing required infrastructure facilities. The new building is ready to provide high-end training to around 180 staff members on fully residential basis, besides providing accommodation to all faculty members. I am sure that the college will play a significant role in sharpening the skill sets of 15,000 plus staff members, which enable us to enhance the value of banking services to the clientele. We express our profound thanks to our beloved Chief Minister Shri N. Kiran Kumar Reddy Garu for sparing his valuable time and grace the occasion to inaugurate the staff college building today. Thank you, sir.